Good morning, historians. I hope you're all doing well. I miss you so much in class. So Liza Cat and I are here to make a video to help you with one of the assignments. Just as a heads up, I created a sample class for me to be able to make videos and post things without posting it to the live Google Classrooms and freaking people out when they see another assignment. So in your Google Classroom, you'll go to the classwork tab, you'll click on this assignment title, Primary Source Analysis, the Black Plague. Now yours looks different from mine because I have the student work, but you will go to yours that has your name on it and you'll click on it, right? So this assignment is called the Black Death. Part 1, background reading. Start this assignment by reading the one-page overview of the Black Death or the bubonic plague. The reading is attached to the assignment on Google Classroom. There is also a link to a video with Dr. Dennison reading the passage. Read along with her. And that's what we're creating right now. So in this video, I'm going to read the background reading. Okay, what is the background reading? It's one page. We're going to click on it. It's called The Plague PDF. Now, it doesn't matter how many times I rotate this. Whenever I post it into Google Classroom, it does not like to be right side up for you to read. We've done this in class, though, remember? Some people just turned their screens because all we're doing is reading this. Some people also figured out if you push Control and then the refresh symbol, the little arrow, circle arrow, that will rotate your screen. And you can go Control, arrow, and rotate it around. My computer is different from yours, so the way I get it to rotate is to click on something else, and then I can move it here. Okay, so I'm going to move me over here, and we are going to read the plague together. One page, just like I promised. And we can zoom in a little bit. Here we go. Now we're cooking. All right. The plague. Follow along with me, please. Between 1347 and 1351, 1/3 of Europe's population died from the bubonic plague, also known as the Black Death. It was initially spread by a bacterium carried by fleas living on rats. The plague arrived in Europe when Italian merchants returned from the Black Sea in October 1347. By the end of the year, Italy and France had been hit by the plague. It spread to Germany, the Netherlands, England, and Scandinavia by 1349. And by 1351, Eastern Europe and Russia were affected. Entire villages disappeared. This sounds really familiar, right? We watched videos about it in class. Remember, it was super gross. Okay, starting back here. With more than 25 million people dead, normal life was challenging. The labor shortage led to the workers who survived the plague to ask for higher wages. Farmers looked for projects that would require fewer workers, like grazing sheep instead of growing crops. A smaller population caused a decrease in demand for food. Peasants bargained with their lords and were freed from serfdom, agreeing to pay rent instead. The feudal system was greatly weakened. And we looked at the feudal system. Remember the triangle? Okay, back to the reading. Last paragraph. Many people believed God was punishing them. Some accused Jews of poisoning wells and causing the plague. These anti-Semitic beliefs led to attacks on Jews, especially in Germany. Anti-Semitic is bolded, and there's a vocab box here. Anti-Semitic means prejudiced against Jews. So I'm going to reread this paragraph knowing what anti-Semitic means. Many people believed God was punishing them. Some people accused Jews of poisoning wells and causing the plague. These anti-Semitic beliefs led to attacks on Jews, especially in Germany. Many Jews fled Germany for Poland, where the king protected them. Okay, historians, congratulations. We just did the first part of this assignment. Great job. We did the background reading. Now you will move on to the primary source analysis. And friends, that's going to be a separate video. So thanks so much for reading along. Miss you.